Hi everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. This one is around the liquid peel. Now there are three types of liquid peels. I just grabbed the other two because I'm not so prepared, so I'm all fresh faced. These are the three types. There's the vitamin C, this one, which makes your skin glowy. It contains vitamin C, which also has some anti-aging properties to it, but mostly it contains the glow vitamins that makes your skin look quite a lot brighter as well. The Drops of Youth one, which is my favourite and the one that I'll be using today, this one contains the three different types of stem cells. I have it written down which ones they are. So it contains the stem cells of Christie Marine, Sea Holly and Elderweiss, and this one does have the makes your skin feel really fresh, and it has these anti-aging properties. So now I'm 25, I want to use that a bit more anti-aging stuff, although it's more like drops of youth, so it's to maintain that youthful look. And then you've got the Drops of Light, and this one essentially makes your skin brighter. Well, the Drops of Light range makes your skin brighter. It makes you have an all over equal complexion, so it would help reduce redness. I just personally prefer the Drops of Youth one, technically, because of the redness, because I get a lot of redness, as you can see. Some's because of spots. I seem to have cut my moly here. This one would be better. I just want to have the anti-aging effect, essentially. So let's get on to it. Has anyone used these products before? Put it in the comments if you have. I'm going to wear my bunny headband today. It's quite hot in the UK again. It's a bit weird. We've had such a good summer. This is all part of our Forever Against Animal Testing campaigning. So you have completely dry skin. I have a bowl of water here, and I also have, I'm going to use this instead of a face cloth to take it off, because I actually find that the little holes collect what's about to come off my face a bit more than a standard face cloth. But that doesn't mean to say they don't all work. Like, a face cloth works just as well. I've just got this to hand, and this is something that was handmade. I can't remember what the group's called. I'll have a look. I'll put it in the comments below if I can find it. It's handmade and it's good for the environment. So what you do, I take that off. Dispense some pumps onto your hand. I'm going to use 2. So this works anywhere in the body. It's not just for your face. You can use it on if you've got skin, apart from your private parts, you can use it. It works really well on feet. Now, I use this a couple times a week, so oh, it's dripping down. I used way more than I would normally. And if I come in closer, you see these clumps? That's skin. So what the peel does, it lifts up all the impurities there on your face, and you end up getting little clumps. Isn't it hot? And essentially, it makes your skin a hell of a lot smoother. So that leaves it with a better base for your foundations and any makeup you want to put on, and it makes such a difference. Exfoliating is the way to get better skin. And then I just wash it off, and like you can see, it's all on there. That's dead skin. Now, I know a lot of you may be thinking, because this is what I thought when I first used it. It's not actually the skin clumping up, it's the product. So I'm going to use something in a minute to show that that's not true. Right, here we go. Let's just dab it off my water. It's really that easy. So sometimes I actually use it in my routine before work. I nearly said before school then. I left school a long time ago. And so I still have my redness, because that's not gonna go from that sort of thing. It leaves your skin feeling so fresh, and it does leave it brighter. My nose is just really red. It's from like rosacea kind of thing. And there we have it. So what I'm going to do is show you on this. So I just want to show to you what it's like if you just use it on something else. So I'm going to put a pump, not a very large amount, on this. You can see, and just rub it in. So you rub it in for 20 seconds no matter what, and as you can see, 0 clumps are forming, and that's because it's actually taking off your skin. And I've already, this is the fingers I used on my face, so there's no skin to come off, no clumps forming. It's not the product clumping up, it's actually doing what it says it does. Whoop, whoop. So there we go, guys. Essentially use it 2 to 3 times a week, depending on if you use any other exfoliants, because you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. It will make it actually get more dry, and it has the opposite effect of what you want to achieve, and it's just not good to do. You use it on cleansed skin, and then afterwards, so now you just put a toner on, your serum, moisturiser, SPF, then you're good to go, and put foundation on or whatever you want to do post your skincare routine. It is actually one of my top products that Body Shop do, so I love it so much. So now I'm going to go finish the rest of my routine. I'm going to put some makeup on, go outside because it's a sunny day this bank holiday weekend, and have a productive Sunday, I hope. I've got quite a lot to do. So as always, thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button if you haven't, give it a thumbs up. Put in the comments below if you're ever interested in another different type of video. I'm always interested to hear what you guys will want to watch, and I will see you soon. Also, if you have ever considered joining the Body Shop at home, have a look. I've got a little series going on what it's like to be a consultant. Drop me a message either on like Instagram, through my Facebook group, or email, and I'd love to talk to you and answer any questions you may have, because I'm always looking to expand my team in the UK and help other people along this journey as well. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.